Hey everyone, SEMO-MAC here. Got something that just came in a couple days ago, and we gonna take a look at it. So this is a product that was sent to me by, and I hope I pronounce this right, Yousunlong. It's Yousunlong. Bet you can't guess what it is. And if you did, then you're pretty daggum good. But what this is, get it pulled out. Oh, it's stuck. Come on, box, give it to me. All right. Yep, you see that there is a sheath, and it is very, very beautiful. And yes, this is a pocket knife. They were gracious enough to send this to me to do a review on and see what I think about it. And that's what we are going to do. This, number one, comes with a good sheath, so I'm thinking it's probably a folding pocket knife. Quality on this thing is amazing. Great leather. I love the logos. Logo on this is very beautiful. You can see it right there on the actual button, and if I can get the light to hit it, you can see it right there on the sheath itself. That's actually really beautiful. So what do we got here? I can tell you one thing, that is a beautiful box that comes in. Let me fold this up and put this in the box here. But yeah, this showed up at my house and I was very grateful for it. Because I love when things show up to my house. It's like Christmas, and what month are we in? May? Yeah, Christmas in May. Woohoo! So, as you see on the box, it also has their logo on there, which is very beautiful. And it is engraved. So, I'm going to open this up and flip this around here to you. So, what comes in this is a beautiful, this is their certificate of authenticity. And I said that authenticity. It's authenticity. Yes, I did get tongue-tied. But as you see, you do get the paperwork on that. We'll lay that right there. And now to the beauty. And oh, is she a beauty? Look at this, y'all. Yep. That is Damascus, and that is very beautiful. Yes, it is. Look at that. So, as you can see, classic style knife. And I told y'all that I like classic style knives. And that lockup is awesome. And oh, is she beautiful. Take a look at that, y'all. Get that light to hit that Damascus. That is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. See if I can catch that edge. Oh, yeah. I got the edge here a little bit. Look at that edge right there. That edge hits that light. That joker's going to be razor sharp. Woo, wee, wee, wee. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So, a little thing about this. Like I said, this is Damascus. This is made of high and low end carbon steel with a layer of nickel in it. It is 73 layers folded. That's crazy, but I like it, and it makes for a very, very beautiful knife. The blade thickness on this, as you can see, is roughly at 2.5 millimeter, so it's not extremely thick blade, but it is a very, it's very good. Feels good in hand too. I like that. It is the handle of this thing, as you can see. You're probably wondering what in the world that is. Well, that right there is authentic bullhorn. That's right. They actually have this as authentic bullhorn. I actually looked this company up and was looking at their knives. They also have one just like this that's, I believe, is in sheep bone too, and it was almost like a pearl, like a really, really beautiful ivory white. It was very beautiful. Man, I tell you what, that bullhorn is nice. It is really, really, really. I mean, it's just as smooth. There's no edges on this thing. This is built very. It's got some really good quality here on this. It's built very nice. I like it. Standard back lock, as you can see on here. So close that up. A lot of this, God, I just can't get over this Damascus. It is really, really good. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which you would think a knife like this probably would have some weight to it, and it does have some weight to it. But it's going to be a great little pocket knife. I mean, standard pocket knife, y'all. You use it. Like I said, I know it's beautiful, but it is a tool, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to use it just like a tool. So you can use this for hiking, camping. Ooh, it's got a nice blade on there too. I'm going to have to find me some paper so we can sit here and test this. So, but yeah, very, very beautiful. Yeah, ooh, I like it. So, how about we do a test and see if we can cut with this thing? Because the blade of it is beautiful. And I'm going to pause you just for 1 second. I'm going to find me something to cut. So, I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I found some paper. So let's see what this joker is going to do. Look at that. That's one paper cut. Yeah, I gotta have a little, see here, find me a little place here. Oh, look at there. Yep. Hey, I can't complain about that. Well, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, this has got some edge on it. Look at that. Goes right through. Paper cut, it does work on that. Rope test. So, as always, safety first, cut away from yourself. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, goes right through, no problem. Move this up here, get this stuff out of my way. Do a little test here. Oh yeah, it cuts right through that. As you can see that, no problem. And you know what? Just for the heck of it, because what I used to love to do is whittle. And I got some really thin stuff, so I'm gonna see if this stuff is actually gonna do it without literally breaking it. So, look at there. Just shaves that off like it's nothing. So yeah, this is actually a really, look at that. Look how thin that is. And this is on this real thin stuff. It's not breaking it. I'm not having to put a lot of, look at this. That is just beautiful. Yeah, I mean, I'm shaving. I'm just shaving, look at that. So, will this thing cut? Yes. It will. So, lastly on this little pocket knife, what we're going to do, let's just see how beautiful it fits into its sheath. Fits perfect right in there. Clip that, and you got your container. Guys, I think this one's a winner. I like it. If you're interested in this knife, and please, y'all need to be interested in these knives. This company is, I mean, they're really, seem to be really good. I kind of went back and forth with the people there, and you know, they have been very helpful. Because I was, you know, talking to them about their knives, and they're like, "Hey, we'll send you this one out if you want to try it." And I'm like, "All right, let's go for it." But on their website, and what I'll do is I will link a description, or in my description, to this knife and to the actual company's website. You can purchase these. They have a storefront on Amazon, so I'll link it to there. You can look, they've got several knives. They have some very, very beautiful knives. And if they are as sharp as this one and as beautiful as this one, you're not going to go wrong. I will tell you that currently right now, this one is running for under $100. And for Damascus, you know, 70, what was it? 72, 73 layers of Damascus on that. Yeah, that's, you know, 73 layers. That's really nice. So, like I said, I'll link it down in the description. Y'all go take a look at this. If you like it, pick it up. They all, like I said, they also have other ones. You might find you another one there that you like, because I've been eyeballing a few of them on there, and I might have to go and try to see if I can pick one up. But as far as this one is SEMO-MAC approved. And as always, this is SEMO-MAC telling you to always be kind and to have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace!